Country people, Tori day. Another Tori now. Now wait. Na Tori we Minister for Woman Palaba, he don't vacate. Minister for Woman Palaba, he talk say, una no fit try that thing. Some website they call our na Jeleba or na jedolo. One na jedolo. That's what they call that website. The website, it do it. It do that palaba pornography. It take picking them, small picking them. He put them together, and then they begin do mommy with the big people. So what it happen? It don't be say minister don't look at because they don't talk about that thing plenty. They don't talk am say now what did happen? So minister don't look at the thing on pass. He say he must talk the matter. He signed some BB book. BB book when minister sign am. He say people they behind that website where they promote them, they go catch them. Secondly, he ban the website. But now the question I say, na Minister of Communication gave ban the website or na Minister for Woman Palaba, we don't know. But it be very important for take care for picking them. Because that they say na some very bad thing. They take picking them for underage. Underage picking them. Put out people the way they get buru. Now so the thing they happen. So that kind of traffic for picking them, they don't talk say not correct for country. So the website, people the way they did it, I should say they ask themselves now say food, what you chop, I not give you. Because governor, he don't want to do, he want continue for crack down all that kind of people the way they do that kind of nonsense them, where they take picking them, they play with them. So one in the way, sometimes they will go me tell they are picking them for that website. When I don't know that artist way, if he take a picking, he turn up for woman. A picking way born and two of the picking the way born up. He take the picking them, he turn up for a woman. So now so the thing they happen, countryman, countrywoman. If you wanna know say, wanna be concerned, if you wanna know say, wanna don't enter for that website, wanna know say wanna people wanna picking any person they for that kind of website, may they come out very fast because man no know if you make a so they go catch them. When I know no, when they catch them, they put them for play where they go put them, cry go start. So then for the way to make time for cry reach, better any man just come up for that kind of website where it is say picking them, it make a no even say picking them, go in a sex working website them. So they don't talk say it end for here. Like Nigeria, they don't talk their own so they no one see that kind of thing for day because we go before the way, if they for the way, it go back past place.